Welcome to English Daily Lesson. Learn 30 fruits name in English. Let's start. Apple. Apple. Meaning, a sweet round fruit. Meaning, a sweet round fruit. Sentence, I eat an apple every day. Sentence, I eat an apple every day. Banana. Banana. Meaning, a long yellow fruit. Meaning, a long yellow fruit. Sentence, the banana is yellow. Sentence, the banana is yellow. Mango. Mango. Meaning, a sweet tropical fruit. Meaning, a sweet tropical fruit. Sentence, mango is my favorite fruit. Sentence, mango is my favorite fruit. Orange. Orange. Meaning, a juicy round fruit. Meaning, a juicy round fruit. Sentence, I drink orange juice. Sentence, I drink orange juice. Grapes. Grapes. Meaning, small sweet fruits. Meaning, small sweet fruits. Sentence, the grapes are sweet. Sentence, the grapes are sweet. Pineapple. Pineapple. Meaning, a large tropical fruit. Meaning, a large tropical fruit. Sentence, pineapple tastes good. Sentence, pineapple tastes good. Watermelon. Watermelon. Meaning, a large juicy fruit. Meaning, a large juicy fruit. Sentence, the watermelon is sweet. Sentence, the watermelon is sweet. Papaya. Papaya. Meaning, a soft tropical fruit. Meaning, a soft tropical fruit. Sentence, papaya is healthy. Sentence, papaya is healthy. Guava. Guava. Meaning, a round green fruit. Meaning, a round green fruit. Sentence, I like guava. Sentence, I like guava. Strawberry. Strawberry. Meaning, a small red fruit. Meaning, a small red fruit. Sentence, strawberry is tasty. Sentence, strawberry is tasty. Cherry. Cherry. Meaning, a small red fruit. Meaning, a small red fruit. Sentence, the cherry is red. Sentence, the cherry is red. Peach. Peach. Meaning, a soft juicy fruit. Meaning, a soft juicy fruit. Sentence, peach is delicious. Sentence, peach is delicious. Pear. Pear. Meaning, a sweet green fruit. Meaning, a sweet green fruit. Sentence, the pear is fresh. Sentence, the pear is fresh. Lemon. Lemon. Meaning, a sour yellow fruit. Meaning, a sour yellow fruit. Sentence, lemon juice is sour. Sentence, lemon juice is sour. Coconut. Coconut. Meaning, a hard tropical fruit. Meaning, a hard tropical fruit. Sentence, coconut water is healthy. Sentence, coconut water is healthy. Kiwi. Kiwi. Meaning, a small green fruit. Meaning, a small green fruit. Sentence, kiwi is good for health. Sentence, kiwi is good for health. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Meaning, a fruit with many seeds. Meaning, a fruit with many seeds. Sentence, pomegranate is sweet. Sentence, pomegranate is sweet. Fig. Fig. Meaning, a soft sweet fruit. Meaning, a soft sweet fruit. Sentence, fig is healthy. Sentence, fig is healthy. Lychee. Lychee. Meaning, a small juicy fruit. Meaning, a small juicy fruit. Sentence, lychee is tasty. Sentence, lychee is tasty. Avocado. Avocado. Meaning, a soft green fruit. Meaning, a soft green fruit. Sentence, avocado is healthy. Sentence, avocado is healthy. Plum. Plum. Meaning, a small juicy fruit. Meaning, a small juicy fruit. Sentence, plum tastes sweet. Sentence, plum tastes sweet. Apricot. Apricot. Meaning, a small soft fruit. Meaning, a small soft fruit. Sentence, apricot is delicious. Sentence, apricot is delicious. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Meaning, a colorful tropical fruit. Meaning, a colorful tropical fruit. Sentence, dragon fruit looks beautiful. Sentence, dragon fruit looks beautiful. Mulberry. Mulberry. Meaning, a small sweet fruit. Meaning, a small sweet fruit. Sentence, mulberry is tasty. Sentence, mulberry is tasty. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Meaning, a large tropical fruit. Meaning, a large tropical fruit. Sentence, jackfruit is very big. Sentence, jackfruit is very big. Blueberry. Blueberry. Meaning, a small blue fruit. Meaning, a small blue fruit. Sentence, blueberries are healthy. Sentence, blueberries are healthy. Raspberry. Raspberry. Meaning, a small soft fruit. Meaning, a small soft fruit. Sentence, raspberry tastes sweet. Sentence, raspberry tastes sweet. Blackberry. Blackberry. Meaning, a small black fruit. Meaning, a small black fruit. Sentence, blackberry is juicy. Sentence, blackberry is juicy. Custard apple. Custard apple. Meaning, a sweet soft fruit. Meaning, a sweet soft fruit. Sentence, custard apple is delicious. Sentence, custard apple is delicious. Star fruit. Star fruit. Meaning, a star-shaped fruit. Meaning, a star-shaped fruit. Sentence, star fruit looks beautiful. Sentence, star fruit looks beautiful.